Good morning everyone, Mr. Allen here for our Year 6 presentation assembly. Yes, we've made it 7 weeks of half term. What an amazing half term it has been. And as you'll see in a moment, all these amazing children have earned themselves certificates throughout that. And these Year 6 have been working so hard. As you can see, it's Friday the 22nd of October. And we're just here just to celebrate all these amazing children. I've got some house captains here to help me as well, to shout out the names this morning, to do their job, because they've earned the right there, earned their house captain badges, so it's really nice for them to come and help me this morning and help me to do this job. So, start off this morning with Miss Percy's PE stars and those who are doing brilliantly in their PE and their games lesson, and the lessons with Mr. Allen as well, because I have been working them hard. They know that, and you know that sitting there, the Year 6s, so with that, hit routines and keeping fit, so really well done. Who have we got, Martin?
Lamin, Janisa, Angel and William.
Correct, there they are. Well done, you four. Super job. Stand up, guys. Come on, let's give you a massive cheer. Keep it up. And I know over half term you'll keep yourselves fit and keep being fit, keep doing those exercises I've set you all up with. So really well done, guys. Massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Next we have Miss Percy's reading stars. Now these guys have been reading non-stop. They really have, over weekends as well. I know they'll do that throughout half time as well. So, Jessica, who have we got?
We've got Zane, Julia, Jessica May and Amelia.
We certainly have. There they are. Look at them. Look. Big smiles on their faces. So you should be. Stand up, guys. Come on. Massive shout out. Massive cheer for you guys. Really well done. And keep that up over half term. I know you will. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Well done. Next we have Miss Percy's English stars. And the English that is going on in Year 6 is phenomenal. It is amazing, and so is the presentation. The amount, the quantity, the quality is just up there. It's so impressive. So really well done, you four. Who have we got?
We've got Goda, Amelia, Dragos and Isabel.
We certainly have. Look at that. Look, big smiles on their face as well. You should be smiling now, guys. So really well done. Stand up. Let's give you a massive cheer. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today. Well done, and thank you. Next, we've got Miss Percy's math stars. Now, I know these guys have been working so hard. They've nearly completed their maths books. It's brilliant. So really well done. Who have we got this morning?
We've got Milana, Oliver, Courtney and Cornelia.
We certainly have. Well done, guys. Come on, let's stand up. Give you a massive cheer, guys. Really well done. Keep up that maths work, because it is fairly phenomenal. So really well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. Well done. Next, we have Miss Percy's history stars. Again, the history that is going on throughout school is phenomenal. But these Year 6s have been working brilliantly as well. So who have we got this morning?
Bianca, Martin, Nadia, Angel.
We certainly have. Look, big smiles again on their faces. Been working really hard in history, these guys. So huge congratulations to you guys. Stand up. We'll give you a massive cheer. Come on, get up in class. And enjoy taking your certificates home with you at the end of today. So really well done. Mr. Davison stars, look, these English children, look at these guys working just as hard on their English as well, as we've previously said, so really well done. Martin, who have we got this morning?
Ashton, Olivia, Jessica and Amber.
We certainly have. Good. Well done, guys. Look, big smiles on their faces. So they should be. Really well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home today. I'm really proud of you, and keep up that amazing work, so well done. Next, we have our history stars, Mr. Davidson's history stars. These guys have been working really hard on history, so just come on, who have we got this morning?
We got Fabian, Oscar, Ruben and Alicia.
We certainly have. Well done. Ruben, big smile, buddy. Well done. You should all be smiling now. Come on, big smiles on your faces. Stand up. We're going to enjoy taking those certificates home with you today, you superstars, so well done, and thank you. Keep it up. Mr. Edison's maths stars, again, we mentioned about the maths and the maths that is going on. It is bonkers, it's amazing, so really well done, guys. So impressed with all of your maths work. Who have we got this morning?
We have Lily May, Amelia, Kieran and Adriel.
We certainly do. Well done, you four. Look, big smiles on their faces as well. You should all be smiling now, and everyone should be cheering in class as well. Well done. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you today as well, you superstars. Thank you. PE, again, these guys. Now, I've mentioned earlier how hard I've been working these children. They really have. And these four have been working super hard as well, especially all those hit routines, all their homework they've been getting in. So really well done to these four. Who have we got?
We've got Joshua, Connor, Deanna and Summer.
We certainly have. Big shout out, big cheer for you guys. Come on, stand up. Give them a jump. Do a star jump or something. Come on. Hey, enjoy taking those certificates. So really well done. I know you'll keep that up over half term. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home at the end of today. Well done. We've got Mr. Davidson's reading stars. Now these guys have been reading non-stop. They really have, and they've almost filled up their reading records. I know that because I've seen one or two of those children's reading records. So really well done to these four. Who have we got this morning?
Gracie, Xavier, Sophia and Freya.
Certainly have. Well done, guys. Freya, big smile on her face. So she should be. Come on, Freya, stand up now. Let's give you a massive cheer. Well done, guys. Really proud of you. Enjoy taking your certificates home and do lots of reading over half term, which I know you will. Right. That's it for certificates. Now we've got the top 3 in each class. And some of these children, you would have heard their names already. Now these are the ones who've earned their house points. And as you can see, you multiply these numbers by 5, you'll see how many merits they've earned throughout this. And actually, it's really hard to earn house points when you're in year 6. Just to see these numbers is brilliant. So we see the top 3 in Mr. Davison. We've got Lily on 29, Joshua on 30, and Lily May on 31. Look how close it is. 1 house point between each of them. Phenomenal. So close. And then Miss Percy, who's got Milana on 26, Isabel on 29, and Janissa on 37. Just topping out there. Actually got a bit of a lead on there, but look, got some catching up to do. If you're not on those top 3, keep earning those merits, keep earning those house points, because who knows, in December, when I announce who's won the Keen Cup, because these house captains are waiting to find out who it is. They want to know. So please keep earning those merits, keep earning those house points, because when I reveal in December, that's who's holding on to the cup for this term. So really well done to all of those children. Let's give them a massive cheer now. That's it for today. As you can see, well done everyone. Thank you to all of those year 6s. You've all been working so hard over this 7 weeks. Let's keep that up over the next 7 when we come through and up to Christmas. So let's have an amazing autumn term throughout. So well done all of you. As you can see, we come back on Monday the 1st of November when gates open at 8:30. It'll be lovely to see you all. Until then everyone, have a wonderful and restful half term. Bye bye now.